Most people get this wrong when choosing a high-yield savings account. They look at the biggest interest rate, open the account, and then months later realize they're earning almost nothing. Here's the truth no one tells you. The highest advertised rate is often temporary, conditional, or limited. If you don't understand how it works, you're not actually getting that return. In this video, you'll discover the 10 best bank accounts for high-yield savings in 2026, how they really work, and how to choose the right one so your money actually grows. By the end, you'll know exactly where to put your savings and how to avoid the biggest mistakes. Let's start immediately with the most important concept. A high-yield savings account usually has two parts: a base interest rate and a bonus or promotional rate. The base rate is what you always earn. The bonus rate is what makes the account look attractive. But here's the problem. The bonus rate often comes with conditions or time limits. This is where most people fail. They don't meet the conditions or forget when the promotion ends. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some accounts look lower on paper, but actually give better long-term returns. Let's go through the top accounts you should know. First, accounts with strong base rates and no complex conditions. These are simple and reliable. Let's say Alex puts his savings into one of these accounts. He earns consistent interest without worrying about monthly rules. Now here's the key advantage. No stress, no tracking, just steady growth. But here's the catch. These accounts may not always have the highest headline rates. Still, over time, they can outperform more complicated options. Now let's move to the second type. Accounts with high promotional rates. These offer very attractive returns for a limited period. Let's say Jake opens one of these accounts. For the first few months, he earns a high rate. But here's the problem. After the promotional period ends, the rate drops. This is where many people lose money. Now here's a smart move. Track the end date and move your money if needed. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some people rotate between these accounts to keep earning higher rates. But it requires effort. Now let's move to the third type. Accounts with bonus conditions. These offer higher rates if you meet specific requirements. For example, depositing money monthly or making transactions. Let's say John uses this type of account. He sets up automatic deposits and meets all conditions. As a result, he earns the full bonus rate. But here's the catch. If he misses even one condition, his interest drops significantly. This is where most people fail. Now let's go through 10 of the best options available in 2026. First, digital banks offering high base rates. These banks often have lower costs and pass the savings to customers. Now here's the key point. They usually provide competitive everyday rates without complex conditions. Second, traditional banks with promotional savings accounts. These accounts offer high introductory rates. But again, the rate drops after a few months. Third, hybrid accounts combining interest with cashback rewards. These are becoming more popular. Now here's where it gets interesting. You can earn both interest and rewards, but you need to understand the structure. Fourth, accounts designed for consistent savers. These reward you for growing your balance each month. But here's the problem. If your balance decreases, you may lose the bonus. Fifth, accounts with no monthly fees. These are simple and cost-effective. Now here's a smart tip. Avoid paying fees that reduce your interest earnings. Sixth, accounts with flexible access. These allow easy withdrawals and transfers. Now, here's the key point. Liquidity matters, especially for emergency funds. Seventh, accounts with automatic savings features. These help you build savings without thinking. Now here's where it gets interesting. Automation can significantly improve your consistency. Eighth, accounts with higher rates for new customers. These are great for short-term gains. But again, you must track the promotional period. Ninth, accounts linked to everyday banking. These may require transactions to unlock bonus interest. Now here's the catch. You need to use the account actively. 10th, accounts offering tiered interest rates. These give different rates based on your balance. Now here's the key point. Understand how the tiers work before investing. Now here's the problem. Even with the best accounts, many people don't maximize their returns. Let's fix that. First, always understand the conditions. Read the terms before opening an account. Second, automate your savings. Set up regular transfers to meet requirements. Third, track your interest rate. Check your account every few months. Now here's a smart tip. Set reminders for promotional end dates. Now let's talk about common mistakes. Ignoring conditions. Forgetting about rate changes. Leaving money in low-interest accounts. Chasing high rates without understanding them. These mistakes can cost you money over time. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even a small difference in interest rate can lead to significant gains over years. Now, let's take an example. Jake keeps his savings in a low-interest account. Alex moves his money to a high-yield account and manages it actively. Over time, Alex earns much more. Same savings, different strategy. Now, let's talk about safety. Most high-yield savings accounts are offered by regulated institutions. Now here's the key takeaway. Your money is generally safe, but always check deposit protection limits. Now let's talk about taxes. Interest earned is taxable in many cases. Now here's the problem. Many people ignore this when calculating returns. Now let's talk about flexibility. Having more than one savings account can help you optimize returns. Now here's a smart strategy. Use one account for stability and another for higher returns. Now let's quickly summarize everything. High-yield savings accounts in 2026 come in different types. Base rate accounts, promotional accounts, and bonus condition accounts. The best choice depends on your habits and goals. Always understand the terms. Track your rates. Avoid common mistakes. If you follow these steps, you can make your savings work for you. Now you're not guessing anymore. You know exactly how to choose the right account and maximize your returns. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want help selecting the best account for your situation, drop a comment below. I'll guide you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.